Okay, I'm about to embark on my next project, and it's going to be this. As you can see here, it's Yolopark's Optimus Prime plastic model kit. Now, this particular version of Optimus Prime is from the movie Bumblebee. And it's this stands what, 30 centimeters, 24 centimeters, I can't remember. Anyway, it's going to be a very articulable figure. So and just to briefly show you, I already opened it, so just to ain't that cool. Your instruction manual. So cool. I don't quite remember when this was released. Not too long ago, about 1 or 2 years ago, perhaps. I tried buying this from Yolopark itself, from their website, but they don't deliver internationally. I tried on a U.S. site, but they were sold out. So my only recourse was to buy this on eBay, and it came straight from China, and about, let's see, 1.5 week shipping. So that's pretty good. This particular individual I bought it from, he used Speed Pack, so it was pretty good. This is now Speed Pack. When it gets to Canada Post takes over, and yeah. So again, just taste of what this thing's gonna look like when it's done. Okay, so definitely gonna take my time doing this. All right. The first thing to do here is the head, as you can see. So that's the first thing that I'm going to be doing. Now the head, I was thinking of putting some LEDs behind the head to light up the eyes blue. I'm still looking into that. We'll see. Because I'm thinking of, someone had mentioned running wires down on the figure, but since this is a figure that can be articulated, I think I would prefer, my first choice would be to turn on the lights using magnetic induction, because I don't want the wires somehow interfering with when you're posing the figure. That would be my first choice, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, so just you can see here the linkage system: knee joint with double-sided linkage, feet with movable pistons allowing different postures, back acts like a human spine with multi-stage joints, elbows with 3-stage linkage, and even the fingers, as you can read here, joint fingers allows for any hand posture. So yeah, this is very articulable figure. And these are the parts, just you can see sort of in the background there. So yeah, and the decals, which is for here on my right hand. So and these are your parts. So I'll be diving into this head on next few weeks or months, depending. I'm gonna be doing this in my spare time. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is what's coming, and I'm looking forward to this. Like I said, I've always wanted to get on our Optimus Prime figure, and this is it. Alright, thanks for watching.